Hello everyone and welcome to MorganMend. In today's video we have something a little bit different for you. I have here an MRE, menu number 16, Chicken Burrito Bowl. One of the best MREs out there. I figured today we'll open it up, see what's inside, and try it out. Stay tuned. Alright, for those that stuck around, we have here MRE menu number 16, Chicken Burrito Bowl. This was packed in 2021, November 1st of 2021 to be exact. Here's a look at the packaging. This is the old style packaging. They changed the packaging up recently in 2023, I believe. Let's go ahead and tear this open, see what's inside. Got it. All right, Chicken Burrito Bowl. Let's go ahead and remove the contents. All right, set our bag off to the side for now. All right, so we have a secondary bag housing all of our contents. Let's go ahead and tear this open as well. And we'll pull out all the contents. First up, we have our entree, Chicken Burrito Bowl. Cardboard sleeve with all of our ingredients. What do we got here? A cinnamon bun. Nice. An accessory packet here. I'm not sure which one. Looks like we have creamer and Bill's Brew instant coffee. Recovery trail mix with pretzels. This stuff is okay. I'm not a huge fan of this. Please tell me we have cheese. What kind of cheese? Yes, cheese spread. All right. Not my favorite cheese spread, but cheese spread nonetheless. Jalapeno cheese spread is the best. Just a regular cheese spread with this one. Tortillas. Can never go wrong with plain tortillas. And lastly, we have a orange beverage powder. Oh, wow. I'll be darned. A Tabasco sauce. Out of all the MREs I've had, I've yet to encounter one of these tiny bottles of Tabasco sauce. That's a nice find. Nice that they included that. I won't be using it, but nice inclusion nonetheless. Cool. All right, and our MRE spoon. And lastly, our FRH. All right, let's get this food heating. Cool. Without further ado, let's tear open our FRH and get our main heating. Get some bottled water in there. Grab our main, our chicken burrito bowl. Place this on the back side of the FRH. What else we got? We got to heat up our tortillas. Put these on this side. And we got to sneak our cheese spread in there as well. Put that under the tortillas. Grab our cardboard sleeve. Stuff that all inside there. Got that all stuffed inside there. Let's go ahead and put all that back inside our bag. Sounds like we're cooking pretty good. Set that off to the side, let that warm up. I'm probably not going to bother with the accessory packet because I am not a coffee drinker. I know you might call me crazy in the comments, but never been a fan of it. So we'll probably just leave this be. I don't see anything worth grabbing out of there. I don't need any salt or anything like that. So we'll leave the accessory packet be. All right, let's open up our orange beverage powder. Probably going to get this everywhere. Just open up a corner of it. And we'll go ahead and pour this into our water bottle. I think that's about us. Get the cap back on that. We'll give that a good shake. Set that to the side, let that do its thing. Move our plate a little closer. All right, let's check out our recovery trail mix with pretzels. Pour some onto our plate. No tray here, just basic paper dishware. Nice. Try a couple pretzels. These are usually not that great, but we'll give them a try. Ooh, very hard. About broke a tooth. Usually it's the almonds that are that hard, not the pretzels. Ooh. Tastes pretty fresh though. Not bad. A little hard, but otherwise not too bad. A couple more. Gotta save some for our tortillas. Get an almond. Oh yeah. Almonds are just as hard as ever. How about a couple cashews? Let's try them. Cashews taste good. Everything together now. Couple of peanuts as well. All goes really good together. Definitely a good item to throw in a backpack or take with you hiking or camping. Definitely good for that. All right. Let's check out our cinnamon bun. What do we got in there? Hey, that doesn't look too bad. Nice and fresh, nice and soft and moist. Huh. Cool, let's give it a smell, huh? Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. Smells just like a cinnamon roll. As crazy as that sounds. Cool. All right, we'll wait on our main to finish heating. Let's try a little bit of our orange beverage. Sweet and very tart. Slide this over here for now, make room for our main. Keep those nuts nearby though, so I can add them to our tacos. Let's open up our spoon since I don't know what to do with it. Set this on the plate. Let's get our second plate laid out for our main course. While that main course finishes heating, a little backstory. I've always found MREs fascinating. A few years ago, I ordered a few cases for myself, and I greatly enjoyed them. A couple years later, here we are. I purchased a couple more cases. I like having them on hand for a number of reasons. I've found that they're very handy for many different emergency situations. They're great to bring along with you, whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, you name it. Perfect to throw in a backpack and take along and you have a meal for the day. Power outages, natural disasters, to keep in your car, you name it. These MREs come in handy, and other rations just like them. If you have yet to try any, I would highly recommend you do so. Menu number 16 is definitely one of the better menus. Another one of my favorites is menu number 19, jalapeno beef patty. And I've tried them all. I'd say that anything with a tortilla is a thumbs up. With the cheese spread, you can't beat it. Menu number 19, again, that jalapeno beef patty is my favorite. We'll be reviewing that shortly for sure. And they've come quite far from where they originated from. You get a nice variety of menus. And really, with each of the menus, all the contents are quite palatable. You can't go wrong with MREs. And with that, our main should be just about done heating. All right, there's everything. Give our cheese a good kneading. Warmed up decently. Not the hottest I've ever had them, but FRH might be just a little old. Let's work on getting our main plated. Give this a bit of a mix. Tear it open. Have a peek inside there. How are we looking? Could have been a little warmer, but it's warm-ish. Let's get that out onto our plate. FRH might have been a little old. It's warm. It's not cold. It's lukewarm, I'd describe it as. Where's our spoon? Fish the rest of that out of there. It smells delicious. Can't leave anything behind. That would be terrible. Alright, there's our chicken burrito bowl. Let's go ahead and mix that up a little bit. I know it looks completely cold. It's not. Could have been a little warmer. What are you gonna do? Let's give this a taste by itself. Really good. Definitely one of the best menus, in my opinion. Let's open up our tortillas. Nice and fresh. Gonna make us up a couple little tacos here. Give our cheese and meat. Okay. Let's take us some of our chicken burrito bowl and slap her onto our tortilla. That looks good. Same with the other one. They give you a lot of main in that pouch, man. Quite a bit there for sure. Let's take us some of our cheese spread and apply a generous portion to our tacos. Same with the other one. Looking delicious. Can't leave any behind. All right. Let's take us what we have left of our trail mix and put that on our tacos. And we'll fold that in half and we'll give that a bite. Yum. Let's try it. Can't go wrong with that. Absolutely delicious. The trail mix gives it a nice crunch. Everything has its own profiles. The beans are perfectly cooked. The chicken has a nice bite, a little bit chewy. Really good. Absolutely delicious. One of my favorite menus by far. Try a little bit more on its own. There's a nice piece of chicken there, if you can see it. Good on its own or stuffed in a taco with cheese. You really can't beat it. Really, really good. Almost like a sweet chili. Really, really good. You can only fit so much in the taco, so. That's filling. Alright. Let's tear into our other taco. Ooh. Gotta put some trail mix on there. Yikes. Almost forgot. Any one of these meals that come with tortillas and cheese, you can rest assured it's going to be delicious. It's just fail-safe. I gotta say, they included a lot of chicken burrito bowl filling. This is filling. I am full. It's so good. On the old pie hole. It's snowing outside on this December 2nd, 2024. In typical MRE fashion, everything pairs deliciously together. And like I said earlier, any menu with a tortilla and a cheese combination, it's fail-safe. You can't go wrong with that. Nearing the end here, a couple more bites, I think. And the last bite of our taco, down the hatch. And last but not least, our final bite of chicken burrito bowl. Oh no. Delicious. Time for dessert. Alright, last but not least, let's bring in our cinnamon roll. Let's give that a break and see what it looks like in the middle. Nice cross section for you. Little bits of cinnamon. Let's give it a taste. Really good. Just like a kind of a bakery. Like a cinnamon filling in the middle. Really, really good. Nice and moist. Very well preserved. Excellent dessert. Alright, all finished with dessert, and that concludes our taste test of MRE menu number 16, Chicken Burrito Bowl. An absolutely delicious MRE, as always. You can't go wrong with this one. I've said it how many times now? You just can't go wrong with this. And with that, I will leave you. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. Again, a little bit of a different video here today. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these in the future. I have other menus we could do reviews on. I'd be glad to review the other menus. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas. These peelable seals are notoriously difficult. Let's see if we can get it in one take. No. Let's tear her open. That didn't work so well. Let's try the other side. Let's see if we can open this in one take. Let's see if we can open this in one take.